大家好，我是DEKA. Today we are here to practice seated twist. I'm showing you 3 different variations of seated twist. So twist, rotate the spine, stretch the muscles of the back. This helps you restore and retain the spine's natural range of motion. When we're doing the twist, either standing twist, seated twist, or reclining twist, this is always incorporate the center of our body, abdominals, obliques, the muscles that support our movement of the spine, and our shoulders, pelvis, and neck. Doing the twist is certainly promote good digestion and encourage spinal mobility. So let's hop onto the mat and get started. So I'm showing you 3 different variations. See which one is more suitable for yourself. Easy seated position. So just simply cross your legs and allow your knees fall open. Ground your sitting bone down on the floor. Sway side to side to make sure your both sitting bone anchoring down the floor. When we're doing the twist, requires a lot of shoulders, neck, our center of body, the muscles, especially abdominals and obliques. Slowly place your hands down on your knee. Start to elevate your spine. Make your chin parallel to the floor and open your chest. Inhale, breath, slowly swing your arms up. Left hand behind you. Okay, slowly grow your spine tall again. Tuck your lower belly in, open your chest, and very slowly just look to your left side and twist. So this is the first one for the very easy twist, the very soft twist, and it's for everyone. If you feel you are super stiff today, do this first, practice this, and stay there for a few more deep breaths. Inhale, breath, slowly swing your arms up, back to the center, to your right side, left arms on your right knee and right hands behind you. And slowly push your chest forward and look to the side first. And if you have more space, bring your gaze towards your middle finger on the floor. So keep pushing forward and keep breathing in and out of your nose and change. Slowly inhale up and come back to the center and down. So this is a seated twist for everyone, easy pose position. Second, if you want to improve some twisting in your practice, extend your legs and bend your right knee first. So bring your right foot across your left leg. So make sure you press down your ball of your foot, your right foot, and just keep anchoring down your sitting bone. Make sure you're both sitting bone on the floor. Tuck your lower belly in and make your belly close to your thigh. So this is your foundation. So make sure this is a correct alignment. Slowly hug your knees into your chest and make your spine nice and tall here. Inhale, breath, slowly extend your left arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, breath, slowly push away. Use your left elbow to push away your right knee and make a prayer position. So make this prayer position in front of your center of your chest. So keep pushing your chest towards your thumb and keep looking back. And make sure the foot on the floor, flex your toes in and keep looking back here. Breathe in and breathe out. Change. Slowly bring your head back and release. Switch another side. So extend your right leg and bring your right foot across your right leg. Make sure your ball of your foot anchoring down here. Keep the correct alignment here and push your chest forward. Inhale, breath, slowly extend your right arm up. Exhale, we're going to bend your elbow and push your right elbow away from your left knee and make a prayer position in front of your chest and just simply look to your back. And just keep pushing your thumb towards your center of your heart. Keep growing your neck long, open your chest, and grow your spine long. And release. Slowly turn your head back and release your hand. So this is the second seated twist position. Third one, if you've been regular practice a while, go deeper in your posture. This will be for you. Bend your right knee and bring your right foot across your left leg, and you can slowly bend your left knee in. So make sure your left heel touching your right hip and make sure 2 hips on the floor. still on the floor. And you can adjust your alignment here. You can bring that right ankle forward, so come to the top of your left knee, so you got more space to anchor yourself down. Push your chest forward and sit tall. So inhale breath, slowly extend your left arm up. Exhale breath, slowly push over your knee, same here, and you can grab your knee in the front, have a nice tight grip, and keep pushing your chest forward, and you can bring your right hand back. Okay, so this is the third one, the deepest twist, and we haven't done yet. We slowly need to turn your head back. So if you got very open shoulder, you have more space to twist. So you can slowly bring your head back, look back, and bring your chin close to your shoulder. Keep looking down towards your middle finger and keep pushing forward, and just stay here for 3. Stay here for 2. So every inhalation, try to lengthen your spine, make space in your vertebrae, and every exhalation, twist. Twist one more time. And release. Slowly turn your head back, release your hand, and switch side. Another side, extend your right foot, right leg, and bring your left foot on the floor, and bend your right knee. So make sure when you bend it, adjust yourself, and make sure your ankles will be on top of your knee here. Extend your right arms up, and exhale, slowly push away your knee and grab your knee in the front. Nice tight grip, push your chest forward, try to bring your belly close to your thigh again, and we're going to bring your left arm back. And slowly look back. This is the deepest one. If you're in your regular practice, and this is also very easy for you, you can also bring your left arm behind you and grab your inner thigh. Try to get a deeper grip and keep looking back. Make sure your chin touch your shoulder or very close to your shoulder. Go deeper, tuck your lower belly in, and breathe. And slowly release. Turn your head back and release your hand. Release, unwind your legs. It's very helpful if you haven't practiced any seated position. Do the first one as many times as possible, and once you get ready, you can move to the second part and the third part. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please drop any comments below, let me know. Subscribe to my channel, please, to show your support. Thank you very much. Share to your friends, family, and see you next Tuesday. Stay strong, stay fit, and namaste. 下周啊，我会教你们怎么去做坐姿旋转的暖身，因为这个坐姿旋转其实用到很多全身的肌肉，所以我教你们做一个很短的流动、很短的暖身，然后做完再回来做这个坐姿扭转。你的坐姿扭转有没有进步？看可不可以来到第3阶段，可以把手扳到后面去，在下面留言告诉我，然后我们下周2见啦！下周是坐姿扭转的暖身，所以就是大家可以连着一起练习。新年快乐，拜拜！